So welcome back guys. In this video, we're going to learn about HTTP. Now why we are learning about HTTP is because we have to further go on into the stages. We have to get text from the hyperlinks. So in order to understand why we are actually getting a URL and getting the links and then the text from there and extracting, we should understand what HTTP is. So I'll try to explain here and just follow with me. So when we talk about HTTP, it stands for your Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So might look like something. If you are not familiar with the programming or programming basics, might look like something I'm talking about in grades, but I'll try to explain this to you. So just give me a second. Hey, let me write it down on the board first. So yeah, it's Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So basically, what it is used for, basically, it allows for communication. It allows communication between two entities, and this communication has a protocol. So it means there are some set of rules according to which a communication will take place, and that is why it is said Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So basically, the exchange of information between a client and a server. So suppose this is the client and this is your server. I'll write also this is server and this is client. So this client will send a request to this server, and this server will actually respond. So when you write www.facebook.com or linkedin.com, you will basically request the server to launch the website, and then server replies back with its response. So basically, this allow for communication. This allow for communication exchange between two entities. This is what your HTTP does. HTTP was actually developed in 1990s, and since then there had been many bug issues, security issues, which actually led to updation of it, and it has been updated several. So this is basically used for actually helping and getting information. Now, in order to understand this better, let me explain the three important properties of HTTP also. So basically, it is based on what we see above. It is requests and responses. So this you have already seen how exactly exchange take place. Now the second one is it should be easy to understand and troubleshoot. So when a human can actually see the language and understand, there are text-based links, and they can be troubleshooted. Then only they can fix them. So it should be easy to troubleshoot. I should say is easy to understand, easy to troubleshoot. The purpose of understanding is also troubleshoot. So I'm writing only troubleshoot. Now, the third one is it should be extensible. So, by extensible, it means based on the context, it can be made, more links can be added. It should be extensible in terms of headers, responses, whatever you want to be. It should be extensible in that context. In context, okay. So these are the three things which a HTTP language must actually have it, and this transfer protocol basically should have it. And this is important because when we understand and work on HTTP in the upcoming videos, you must know why exactly we are doing and what are the main properties on which this all context is based on, and I'm talking about, and why we are doing this. So yeah, that is the requirement for this, and I'll see you in the next video.